I remember you. I remember you. I remember you. The answer will come. 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 Oh, I don't see. I don't see. I don't see. Oh, I don't see. I don't see. I don't see. I just have to go to class. Yeah. See, I just have to go to class.
Hey guys, so today we're doing this look. I know something is missing, highlight. I don't really have much to say, but I like this look. I love my hair. I don't know, like, and this palette that I used is bomb. I love it. I can see me using this every day, to be honest. So without me getting in the rambling thing talking about stuff that has nothing to do with this video, subscribe down below. The button's right here. If you don't, how are we gonna like have a friendship? That's all I gotta say. It's 2 seconds. Don't have to leave this video, and it's free, so why not? Without further ado, let's just get into this video. So for today's palette, we're going to be using this Velvet 59 palette called Biker Babe. It is so pretty. It's like pretty much everything I need. And we're going to go in with the shade Twisty in our crease with a Sigma E35. And then we're going to take the shade Harley Baby and pop that in the upper lid and the lower crease, just to blend that shimmer shade in better later. And then since I am like, you know, yeah, I got baby hands, you guys. So since I got baby hands and I have no nails, we're going to take advantage of using our fingers, and we're going to take Armor and put that all over the lid. And then I'm just taking 2 mascaras and doing my lashes. And then we're going to follow up with the shade Rocket Fuel and pop that on the inner corner and the brow bone. And because our foundation is water-based, we are going to use a water-based skin prep. And this is the Vichy V Mineral 89 Skin Booster. And we're going to put that all over our face. And then for foundation, we are going to use the CoverGirl True Blend in the shade Perfect Beige. This does not apply well with a sponge. It applies well with a dense brush. You see, I try to use a stippling brush as well, and that did not work out at all. And the Kaylin O Wow brush never fails me. For concealer, we're going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is the shade Medium. And then we're just going to do some cream contouring with the LA Pro Conceal and Beautiful Bronze. And then to set under my eyes and my T-zone, I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is the shade medium as well. And we're going to set the whole entire face with Pop Beauty Velvet Powder Base, and this is shade number 3. I used a lighter shade because I want to lighten up the foundation a little bit. For a little bit of extra contour, we're going in with Hoola Benefit bronzer and just contouring our cheeks just a little bit more. And for blush, we're going to use this Pandora's Face blush, and this is the shade Pink Carnation. And basically we're just going to repeat the crease steps onto the lower lash line. I always do that with my lower lash line. I never go like, you know, full on. I need to start, don't I? Then just pop on some lower lash mascara. For lips today, we're going a little bit bougie. We're using Burberry's liquid lipstick in the shade Oxblood. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look and I really love this. If you want to use stop. If you want to use a nude lip for this, you can also do that, but I really wanted to use the Burberry liquid lipsticks, and they're one of the most comfortable liquid lipsticks I've ever tried on. They don't dry down completely matte or completely transfer proof, but they stay on and they're very, very comfortable. But yeah, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, if you're not already, please do that down below, as well as turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I will see you in the next video.